Ever wondered how much information about you or your organization is floating out there, visible from space? Today, we're diving deep into a critical, often overlooked aspect of cybersecurity: the free satellite tracking tools that, in the wrong hands, can become powerful weapons for reconnaissance and exploitation. This isn't just about satellites in orbit. It's about the data they collect and how it can be weaponized. Satellite technology has revolutionized our world, offering unprecedented views of Earth. While beneficial for navigation, weather, and communication, this data also presents a unique cybersecurity challenge. Hackers leverage publicly available satellite imagery and tracking data for reconnaissance, identifying targets, and planning attacks. Understanding these tools is crucial for everyone, from end users protecting their privacy to IT professionals securing complex infrastructures. We'll explore how these seemingly innocuous resources can expose vulnerabilities and what you can do to mitigate the risks. Hackers employ satellite tracking tools not to control satellites, but to gather intelligence. They use these resources for open-source intelligence, OSINT, to map physical locations, identify critical infrastructure, and even track movements. This information forms the bedrock of sophisticated social engineering, phishing, and physical intrusion attempts. For web developers and IT support, understanding this perspective is vital. Exposed server locations, visible network infrastructure, or even patterns of activity can be gleaned from satellite data. This knowledge helps in proactive defense and incident response. Google Earth Pro is far more than a mapping application. It's a powerful OSINT tool. Its high-resolution imagery allows attackers to scout physical locations, identify building layouts, and pinpoint critical infrastructure like data centers or server farms. This visual reconnaissance is invaluable for planning physical breaches or targeted cyberattacks. Website admins can use Google Earth to visualize their physical server locations and assess potential vulnerabilities. Developers might check if their office or data center's external appearance reveals too much. Sentinel Hub provides access to vast archives of satellite imagery, including near real-time data from Copernicus Sentinel satellites. Hackers can use this to monitor changes in land use, track large vehicles, or observe activity around target facilities over time. The temporal aspect adds another layer of intelligence. For IT teams, understanding this means recognizing that physical changes around your infrastructure might be observable. This could include construction, new equipment installations, or even unusual traffic patterns that could signal a threat. N2YO.com offers real-time tracking of thousands of satellites, including communication and imaging satellites. While primarily for enthusiasts, hackers can use this to understand satellite overpass times. This knowledge helps them predict when a target area might be under surveillance or when specific communication links are active. This tool highlights the importance of understanding the broader digital landscape. For web developers, it's a reminder that data transmission via satellite links has specific windows of vulnerability or observation. Heavens Above provides detailed predictions for satellite passes, including the International Space Station and various imaging satellites. An attacker could use this to correlate ground-level observations with satellite imagery capture times, enhancing their understanding of a target's operational patterns. This level of detail can inform more precise social engineering attacks or physical surveillance. For IT support, it underscores the need for comprehensive security, extending beyond digital perimeters to physical locations. Zoom Earth combines historical and live satellite and weather imagery, offering a dynamic view of the planet. Its ability to show recent changes makes it a potent tool for tracking developments around a target. This could include new construction, changes in security perimeters, or even disaster assessment. Website administrators can use this to review their physical infrastructure's history. Any significant changes might be visible, prompting a review of associated digital security measures. While not directly satellite imagery, OpenStreetMap (OSM) is a collaborative mapping project that often incorporates satellite data and user-contributed details. Hackers leverage OSM for highly detailed maps, identifying specific buildings, roads, and even internal layouts contributed by users. This granular data is invaluable for planning. Web developers and IT teams should be aware of what information about their facilities might be publicly available on OSM. Oversharing details can inadvertently create a blueprint for attackers. Shodan is a search engine for internet-connected devices, including many that communicate via satellite. Hackers use Shodan to find vulnerable IoT devices, industrial control systems (ICS), and network equipment exposed to the internet. Many of these devices, especially in remote locations, rely on satellite uplinks. For website admins and developers, Shodan is a critical tool for self-assessment. Search for your organization's IPs or domains to see what devices are exposed. This helps identify potential entry points that might be satellite connected. Complementing satellite views, Google Street View offers panoramic ground-level images. Hackers combine this with satellite imagery to get a complete picture of a target's surroundings, including entry points, security cameras, and potential blind spots. This hybrid approach is incredibly powerful for physical and digital attack planning. IT support teams should use Street View to assess the physical security of their data centers or offices. What's visible from the street? Are there any obvious vulnerabilities that could be exploited? Wikimapia overlays a Wikipedia-like system onto Google Maps, allowing users to annotate and describe every place on Earth. This crowdsourced information can reveal details about facilities, including their purpose, ownership, and even internal departments. Hackers exploit this for targeted social engineering. For cybersecurity awareness, this tool highlights the danger of oversharing. Employees or public records might inadvertently post sensitive information about an organization's infrastructure or operations. FlightAware and Marine Traffic track aircraft and marine vessels globally, often using satellite data for remote areas. While not directly satellite tracking tools in the imagery sense, they provide real-time movement data. Hackers can use this to track key personnel, understand supply chain logistics, or identify patterns of activity around critical infrastructure. This type of tracking can be used to infer operational schedules or identify high-value targets. For organizations, it's a reminder that even seemingly unrelated public data can be pieced together for malicious purposes. Understanding these tools is the first step towards robust cybersecurity. For end users, it means being mindful of what you share online and your digital footprint. For website admins and developers, it's about securing your physical infrastructure as diligently as your digital one. Regularly audit your public-facing information, including physical addresses and infrastructure details. Implement strong physical security measures and educate your teams on OSINT risks. The digital eye in the sky is always watching, and the tools to interpret its gaze are freely available. By understanding how hackers leverage satellite tracking and related OSINT tools, you can proactively identify and mitigate vulnerabilities. Don't let your organization become an easy target for reconnaissance from orbit. Take action now. Subscribe to SecureCyberMart to learn more and visit our blog. Thank you for watching.